Hi gang, we're going to review composite functions. That's when you stuff one function into another function. You literally stuff one function into another function. That's a composite. So the one on the right gets stuffed into the one on the left. So this is read f composite g of x. We're going to put g into f. We're going to put g into f. So we're going to take all of g and we're going to put it into f where the x is. Where the x is. So where the x is, I'll put a box. So something squared plus 1. I'm going to put the g in there. Okay, now this is a FOIL. This is a FOIL. If you have negative 2x plus 1 quantity squared, that means that you have negative 2x plus 1 times negative 2x plus 1. Okay, so that is a FOIL. You got to be careful, right? You can either use the formula a plus b quantity squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You can use that formula, or you can just FOIL it out, meaning like first times first, first outside, inside, last. Whichever order you do it in, just I always make sure each of these go to each of these. So negative 2x times 1 is negative 2x, 1 times negative 2x, and then 1 times 1. Or, like I said earlier, you could just use the formula. So first term squared, twice the middle, last term squared. Don't forget to pull down this plus 1 at the end, and then combine like terms. Okay, so that would be f composite g, 4x squared minus 4x plus 2. Now notice here that just x is just kept as a general variable, but you can specify a specific value for x. So in this case, it's saying let x equal to 2. And there's two ways you can do this. So the first way you can do it is use x as a domain value for g. So you plug 2 into g and you get out a range value. So let me just pull down g down here. G of x equals to negative 2x plus 1. Okay, meaning you can plug 2 into g. And get out negative 3. So g of 2 is negative 3. But if you notice, the output of g becomes the input of f. So that range point of g becomes a domain value for f. So now I take the f function. So f of x equals to x squared plus 1. That, I'm just taking it from up there. And now I let x equal to negative 3. I square it and I add 1. I'm going to get 10. So the final answer here is 10. Now there's, again, like I said, two ways to do it. So you can do it by crunching the number out, plug the value into g, then the output of g goes into f. The second way, if you're given a specific value, so this one I wasn't, but the second way to do it if you're given a specific value is to take the composite first. And then plug in the value last. So I could plug in the value last. So for instance, I could let x be 2 here. And you can see 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So whichever way you do it, you'll always get the correct answer. So whether you want to just take the general composite first and then plug in the specific value, or if you want to plug in the specific value and crunch it out and just go right to the answer. So whatever your preference is, it's fine. Okay, gang, I'm going to do another one of these so you can see it, but that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.